You can spend $150 on a backpacking stove, or you could get the one we've used for over 10 years for less than 15 bucks. What's up? This is Richie from the Wary Wild YouTube channel, and today I'm going to try to save you some money on your camping gear. REI sells some great stuff, but a lot of it is overpriced in my opinion. And unless you're making camping your life or backpacking your life, where you feel like you need to keep weight down and you got to get the latest and greatest of everything, it's just not necessary to spend up so much money on some of the basic gear that you can grab on Amazon for much cheaper. And a lot of the stuff that we've bought over the years that has worked out really well for us, I'm going to recommend some of that stuff to you. Everything will be linked in the video description below. You just go under the video title, click more again, it'll all open up and everything will be linked and organized for you in case you need to pick something up for yourself. If you're new to the channel, definitely check it out. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. We really appreciate it. Let's get into this. Okay, item number one is a backpacking stove. If we're not cooking over a fire, we're cooking on one of these things. Let's check it out. REI's website got one for 60 bucks, 50 bucks, comes with two little pots. That's kind of cool. Little titanium one for 30 bucks. Another MSR, 85 bucks. Man, that is just pricey. Another one for 70. The jet boil. Now this is what most people are gonna walk out of that store with. They're gonna be told this is the best, this is what you wanna get. 150 bucks, that is a lot to spend. And don't get me wrong, it is a great product, no doubt about it, but 150 bucks, 85 bucks, 70 bucks, it's just not worth spending up that much. Over on Amazon, here's that MSR for a little cheaper, by the way, or you can pick up the one that's lasted us over a decade, works great, and was only $12.99. Are you serious? Look at the reviews on this thing. We've had this thing literally over 10 years and it's never broke on us. Boils water great, cooks the food we need to cook on it. You cannot beat that for $12.99. If you're just starting out, this is the way to go. No doubt in my mind, it's gonna save you a lot of money. Number two, a camp cooking kit. Now, we usually like to cook over the fire with a cast iron, but when we're using our backpacking stove, we have a little kit that has little pots and pans. Here's one for 140 bucks. Comes with some pots and pans that are useful, some utensils, a little pricey, comes with a lot of stuff. Here's one we saw earlier, 50 bucks, comes with two pots and a little stove. Wow, $225. That stuff looks a little bigger. Wow, that's expensive though. Here's a little titanium set here, two little pots and a pan. Titanium's great, but it's not really necessary unless you're backpacking and you're really worried about keeping your weight down. Stainless steel or aluminum gets it done just fine. Usually just for normal camping. STANLEY, that's kind of nice. I love STANLEY. They make some good stuff like this. That looks really sweet, actually. 55 bucks. But, 120 bucks for two pots and a pan, it's expensive. Over on Amazon, you're going to have a lot more options here, just ranging from different prices, $35, $19, $35, $24, $35. That one's kind of cool. Comes with a little tea kettle and some useful stuff. I think we actually bought this one years ago, this Autoland 16 piece. Not bad, really good reviews. It's lasted a very, very long time. Nothing special, but gets it done. Two pots, two pans, two cups, two utensil sets, and the kicker, it comes with that stove that I mentioned earlier. That's really sweet. So I don't think you can beat that for $35 if you're just getting started, especially since it comes with that little stove. Number three, a little camping tea kettle. Now you can always boil water in one of your pots, but if you're using that pot to cook something else, these are great to have to get some tea or coffee going. Let's see, REI 60 bucks, 50 bucks for 1.8 liter. That's a little pricey. 35 bucks for 1 liter. That's not horrible. Another 1 liter for 50 bucks, definitely overpriced. What else here? 75 bucks. On Amazon, you're gonna do way better. Much better prices, 26, 14, 24, 20, $13. That's actually got really good reviews. It's small, but that's impressive. This could be a good option here for 20 bucks. Decent reviews, and it's bigger. 2.5 liter, comes with two cups. For $20, that's a good deal. I'll link that one for sure. Ours is from a company called Red Camp. Let's see here. Here it is, right here. This is the exact one we have. Red Camp 1.4 liter, medium size, 20 bucks. Very good reviews. Has lasted a very long time. I'll link that one in the video description for sure. But whatever one is going to suit your needs, whatever size you need, whatever your price range is. You can even grab this kit I showed you earlier for $35 that comes with a little tea kettle and everything else with great reviews. But it really just depends what you want to go with. Here's one from STANLEY, very nice, $25. It's small, but man, they make some good stuff. But I'll link all these options in the video description for you. You just pick the one you like best. Number 4, long handle spoon and spork utensils. We love these. These are great to have camping for mountain house meals, bags of rice, stuff where you got to dig down really deep. $12.95 to $14.95 for the spork here, titanium. Another $13 for the long handled spoon. Let's see what else we got here. $18 for this one. It's just kind of overpriced just to pay for one of these at a time. Over on Amazon, you're going to get a 2-pack for the same price you're paying for one on the REI site. Titanium 2-pack comes with a nice little holder bag. Plenty of options here. I don't even think we have the titanium ones. We have stainless steel. Here they are with this green bag. 9.4-inch long handle spoon and spork set. They have lasted us years. Never rusted, never broke. They're spotless. $13.45. Great reviews, as you can see. Those are the ones we have, so they've worked great. But if you want the titanium, obviously you can see you're going to get a 2-pack for the price you're paying for one on the REI site. Number 5, headlamps, a must-have when you're camping. Let's see here, $25 on sale, $25, $54, $80 for a headlamp, $90, $50. Wow. Black Diamond's a good company, but sheesh, $20, that's not so bad. $70, $70, $60. Some of these prices are crazy, man. It is a light that goes on your head. Wow. $135 for a headlamp. That's insane. Over on Amazon, as usual, you're going to find much better prices. Here are the ones we have. Wow, say $15 for 2 packs, 15, 16, 13. We have these Gear Light ones. They have lasted us so long, we've never had to replace them. They have the ones that take AAA batteries or the rechargeable ones. Gear Light makes both. Great reviews. I've never had to replace them. It's unbelievable. We bought the ones with the AAAs, and I kind of prefer having to use the real batteries because you don't have to worry about keeping the headlamp charged. You can feel confident that you just have extra batteries in your pack. But yeah, a 2-pack for $15 or $16. Compared to some of those headlamps that are $50, $60, $70, $100. I mean, look at the amount of reviews. Almost 50,000 reviews. They are great for the price. Number 6, speaking of light, how about a camping lantern? Must have. This one is $30. I don't know what that is. $50. That's an odd shaped one, huh? $60 down from $90 on sale. Hey, $60 on sale. They got some weird looking ones here. Here's one from Coleman, $115 for a lantern. Why? $80, $70. Once again, check it out on Amazon. Great prices. Here's that Gear Light brand that we love, the same brand as the headlamps. I know those are going to be good. That's really good reviews right there for $30 for a 2-pack. Here is a 4-pack for $25. 4 of them with really good reviews. 4 for $25. 4. That is insane. So whatever ones you want, but I know for a fact that Gear Light brand is going to be very, very, very stable for $30 for a 2-pack. But hey, take a shot on this 4-pack maybe. Great reviews. That's wild. Number 7, a camping fan. One of our most prized possessions you've heard us talk about so many times. On REI's website, they only have one? $40 for this Coghlan's? They got to have more than that. Are you serious? Okay, well, I guess this is kind of unfair because they only have one camping fan. But on Amazon, you're going to get a lot more options. Obviously, you can shop around. They have so many to choose from. But the one that we have actually is this one in the first spot right here, $27.99. It's a 5-inch fan with an LED lantern. Really cool to have. You just hang it from the top of your tent. Great reviews. There's a 7-inch version of this one as well. Once you click on it, I believe it's $35 if I'm not mistaken. Whisper Quiet runs off of rechargeable batteries. You hang it from the top of your tent, or you can run it off a power bank via USB on the little spot on the side here. But for $30, it's really nice to have, and obviously there are a lot more to choose from here. Number 8, a camping pillow. These are awesome to have. They're so small and they're great to travel with instead of lugging out your pillows from home. These are great. On REI's website, they got a bunch of them, but they're a little overpriced. 40 bucks, 50 bucks, 80 bucks. Wow. That one's $70, 36. What else we got here? Is there just a basic one? All right, here. This is just a basic blow up with air, $50. I mean, that's a lot to spend. Over on Amazon, I'm going with that Trekology pillow, man, that we've used for so many years. Here's the basic one, $20. That's the OG. That's the one we've had for a really long time. But a few years ago, I upgraded to their newer version, which is also the same price. So this is the one I'd go with. It comes with a removable, washable cover, and it's much softer. So for 20 bucks, that's probably the one I would recommend. But they have so many different brands and options here depending on what you're looking for: air, memory foam, whatever you want. Here's another one. This is the same Trekology with the nice washable, removable cover. Same price. It's just black instead of green. They've been great. I've slept many nights on those, and they just fit in the tiny little sack that it comes with. So they're just tiny to travel with. We take them everywhere, not just camping, the beach. They're great for, and you can use them for lumbar support if need be. If you're sitting somewhere, stuff like that, they're just great to have, and that's a really good price. Number 9, a camping shower. A little bit of luxury here, nice to have. Let's see, on REI's website, 200 bucks. I mean, that one's probably very nice, but my God, that's expensive. Here's a basic one, $41.95. That looks like the one we have. Sea to Summit. What else we got going on here? Geez, 160 bucks. They have some options here, but it's just not really worth spending up for. It's just a basic thing. You just want to get some water over your head to refresh yourself while you're out there. You're never going to get a legit luxury shower out there. Okay, this is kind of like the one we have, $35.99. Just a basic solar bag, fill it with water, hanging out in the sun, warms up, and just a little hose on the bottom with a little on and off. The one we have is very, very similar to these. It's just that basic solar bag, and they're probably all made in the same factory. But I think we actually bought this one for $20 years ago. Reviews aren't great, but it's never broke on us. And I'll tell you what, I was impressed with how thick the strap was that hangs from the tree right here. That thing is heavy duty, man. And it's gotta be. It's gotta hold all the weight of that water, and it has. So it's $20 instead of spending up 150 bucks, something like that. Even the basic one for $41.95, which is probably exactly the same. Why spend double the price? Last but certainly not least, number 10, how about a folding shovel? I love using one of these around the campfire, moving the logs around. 85 bucks, 120 bucks on REI's website. I mean, I'm sure they're great quality, but my God, $200? That's just insane, man. $130. All these other ones either look like they're for going to the bathroom or for snow. But yeah, you really only have a couple options here. On Amazon, thousands of options. $28, $24, $22, $11.99. I mean, there's so many to choose from. I think we have this one, this Rhino USA. I think that's the one I got a long time ago. I've showed it in a few videos. Great reviews, has lasted a really long time, very sturdy. And you know, they're not a huge shovel, but they do work. And for what you're using them for, they're very nice to have, especially moving your logs around when you're trying to maintain your campfire. I think that's what I use it for the most, digging some trenches, if it rains, stuff like that. So yeah, if I'm gonna recommend one, it's gonna be that Rhino USA right there. Great reviews. You can't really beat that for the price. Gets it done. So those are 10 things that you can get on Amazon way cheaper than you can get at REI. You can find some really, really good stuff that has lasted us for years for a much better price. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to hit us up in the comments, but no need to spend an arm and a leg to go camping. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. And if you're into this sort of thing, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. If you want to see more videos just like this one, be sure to check out the rest of the Where We Wild YouTube channel, where we post a brand new video every week. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever we post a new adventure. Thanks for watching.
See ya.